Okay, guys, just gonna go through this bin real quick. Here's a snake, which I don't like snakes at all. I don't like snakes, guys. Okay, DS here. We got a whole bunch of knives. There's one. Actually, there's none missing, which is really cool. New Wave oven. New Wave. You guys can make that out or not. I'm not sure what this is. Some interesting designs on the knife. New Wave. Very lightweight, guys. Very lightweight. I don't know, just stainless or aluminum. Might be aluminum. But there's some Canadian Club hats here. We got that. We got this. We got this thing for the head. Some bags, shoes. What else in here? Slippers. Some slippers in here as well. Okay, what's this? CD. Let me flip a root. I'm outside now, so there's going to be some background noises, but One Direction. What? No way, no way, guys. Is that Harry Styles? First CD. Signature series. This CD could be worth $200, guys. 200 bucks right here. I'm gonna prove it to you once we get in. We'll look it up. Cheap calendar, slippers, Thor book. Looks pretty good. What's this, guys? What is that? T84 Plus? What? No freaking way, guys. You gotta be kidding me. No way is that a T84 Plus drafting calculator. You could buy these now for $100, guys. No way is this a TI. Yeah, this TI 84 Plus, guys. This is a drafting calculator. Let's get this in the light a little bit. This is, you can buy this now for 119 bucks online. Texas Instruments. This is in really good shape, almost like new. Education.com. This is a drafting calculator, guys. I don't think there's any batteries in it. It feels kind of light. So we're looking at $200, $300 right here. Maybe another $25 for the knife set. So looking at 325 bucks right here alone, guys, with these 3 items. Wow, you gotta be kidding me. Let's keep going. This is getting crazy here. Alright, we got a Thor book. I'm not sure what this would go for. Maybe a few bucks. It's not a very thick book, but it's Marvel, so it could be worth some money. We don't know. We'll check that out too. So all this stuff gotta come in, except the knives. We'll look them up too, but not now. And looks like a bunch of odds and ends in here as well. Skull thing with stones in it. Some bedtime stories, Walt Disney. It should sell for a couple bucks maybe. Anything of Walt Disney is actually. Alright, so here. Okay, I think we looked at that before. We got a Bella Beauty. It could be 20 bucks. Hair flattener, who knows? We'll see. So what I'm gonna do now, guys, go look up this stuff. Put this back. We'll look up that later. We're gonna check out these 3 things right here. There you go, guys, right there. Signed CD, $199. $199. Right there. Okay guys, here's one. This says like new. Used but like new. Right there, like new. $84.95 guys. So I don't know what these things are actually selling for, but you only have to scroll down and see what everybody else is selling them for. I don't see any right there. I have to go back. So it could be, you know, $84 to $20. You know, there's one here, $20, pre-owned. So then there's one $49. Here's one for $50. So we don't know what's what. Okay guys, here's the book. The Mighty Thor, whatever. $4.25 with free shipping. So between $4 and $5. That's the value of that book. Okay guys, so that's gonna go back in. Sorry, Thor. I did get this Monopoly box, guys. I don't think this is that old. It's got dings in it all over the place. You know, it's, you can see the dings all over, so I don't think this would be worth too much. I mean, I'll do some really light research on this, because otherwise it's just gonna dollar at the flea market. And that's gonna take care of that, guys. There is a lot of stuff in here, like beads and stuff like that, that probably just sell it all at the flea market with the case. Got some socks or something in here. I don't know if these are new thimbles or what's this. Let me see, guys, hold on. O-rings. What's this? Whoa, you kidding me? Pins? There's pins? Gotta check them all, right guys? Thimble? Plastic thimble? Some tape measures. It's like a little patch for our pants in there too. Oh, what's in here? It sounds kind of loud and small. Okay. Sorry for the bad lighting. Here's some pins as well. I am outside, guys. Something just fell in, but okay, I don't think that's anything too major. We'll look into a couple of these things here. Oh, that's a cat. That's a cat button. So let's see. Is that silver? No, not silver, guys. Light snow going on here, and another one of these fake military buttons. Okay. Yeah. I think we looked through this one. It's really cold. The wind is blowing. Just more pins in here, guys. So just briefly, not really a lot of stuff in here. I thought there was some beads for making bracelets or something like that, but it's not. Toilet paper. What? Here's a paper towel holder. Looks damaged or scratched. I don't know if that's a crack. Yeah, it looks like a crack. Oh yes, crack. It is a Bounty paper towel holder. Got a little sewing kit here with the tiniest pair of scissors I ever saw. There's a lot of this stuff, papers, This looks like cards or some stuff. I'll go through all those receipts, names and addresses, and that's about it, guys. That's all that's in here. The remote control. Yeah, that's it, guys. That's it with that one. Okay, guys. Take a look what's in this bag. Any coins or anything? Oh, it's just a cat shirt. I myself at the flea market. Got an iron or something. Maybe put it through the wash. I'm not sure if that's gonna. That's a buck. Flea market, pair of socks. They look okay, maybe. Buck. The flea market. What we got here? What's this? Just a pair of sweatpants with pockets. Kind are these, guys? White and something. I don't know what that is saying, guys. Let me take a look, guys. See, white and, you guys see that? I have no idea. So obviously it's just a no name or something that maybe I don't know what it is. We'll take that out of there. Let's wrap this up, guys. Plastic's trash. This case is good. Sell that for a couple of bucks. This case right here. It's a nice case. Not too bad. Throw this piece in here till I get to throw it out. Okay, guys, let's check this out. See if there's any. Oh, there's a penny. We'll grab that. It's just a Lincoln. It's another beer holder. Oh, that's a Coleman. Actually, Coleman. So that's a buck. Brain damage 2. Some of these games are definitely here. We already looked at that. Just got to go through this real good. You don't know if something's going to be here or not, you know. Stuff like this in a way. So hopefully you guys can see okay. This out of the way, get these papers. You don't know what could be here. So far I'm not really seeing anything, guys, important. So alright, guys, no gold in there. And that's gonna wrap it up, guys, for today.